You are not alone if you are having difficulty saving money. According to Bankrate research, less than half of Americans have enough funds to handle an unexpected $1,000 bill. 75% of respondents who claimed they had no savings or not enough to cover at least 3 months' worth of living costs said they were unhappy with the amount they had set aside for emergencies. Saving money isn't simple, but it's also not impossible. There are strategies to keep extra money in your bank account, from significant actions like refinancing your home to little ones like utilizing coupons. In this video, we have rounded up the 15 incredible ways to save money fast. Welcome to our YouTube channel, and before we begin the video, don't forget to hit the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Let's start with number 15. Review your spending habits. If you want to learn how to save money, you must first learn how to spend less of it. Many bank statements provide detailed expenditure data. These may give you a solid idea of where your money is going and highlight chances to save. If you are married or live with your partner, making this assessment process a joint activity could also help you spend less and save more. Number 14. Put your smartphone to work. A budget allows you to organize your spending and saving by examining how much money comes in and goes out each month. Budgeting and money-saving applications may assist you in automating your savings, issuing overspending warnings, and investing part of your income. Creating categories for your monthly spending, such as mortgage or rent, transportation, food, and entertainment, may be required while setting up budgeting software. Once you've set up the app, examining your expenditures regularly will help you uncover areas where you can save money. Number 13. Compare other options for your mobile service. When it comes to smartphones and finances, one area where you may be able to save money is mobile service. Increased competition and frequently reduced pricing have resulted in an increase in service providers. Companies such as Mint Mobile, Ting, and Visible may offer equivalent plans at cheaper monthly prices than the major mobile carriers. A little research and pricing comparison may provide a better value. Remember that if you spend most of your time at home, being connected to your Wi-Fi network might reduce the need for a large and costly data plan. Number 12. Turn off notifications that want you to spend money. Your smartphone may be a fantastic tool for saving, but it can also be a major source of spending temptation. Promotional emails and app alerts, notably those promoting huge sales, might encourage you to purchase a product you would not have otherwise. Consider unsubscribing from such mailing lists and turning off alerts. Number 11. Refinance your mortgage. It might be beneficial to consider your alternatives for refinancing your mortgage, since housing is probably the biggest line item in your budget. While mortgage rates started rising in 2022 as a result of the Federal Reserve's rate rises, you may still be able to cut your rate based on what you're now paying. However, keep in mind that refinancing entails closing expenses, which may run into hundreds of dollars. Number 10. Shrink your utility bills or avoid letting them grow. In addition to saving money on housing, you may save money on the expenses of living there. According to the U.S. Department of Energy, switching to LED lights may save the typical home roughly $225 per year. Heating prices might be much higher in the winter of 2022/2023. According to the U.S. Energy Information Administration, natural gas reserves are low, which might result in higher heating expenditures during the forthcoming cold season. Lowering the thermostat a few degrees or fixing leaks around windows may help you save money. Number 9. Evaluate your entertainment expenses. Instead of paying a premium for 400 cable TV channels, choose a cheaper streaming provider like Sling, Hulu, or Fubo TV. Members of Amazon Prime get access to the company's vast collection of episodes and movies, while live TV choices are restricted. An Amazon Prime subscription also includes access to millions of songs and the option to make playlists, which may save you money on a separate streaming music service like Spotify or Apple Music. Number 8. Strategies for time-specific goals. Consider what you're saving for and when you'll need the money, in addition to how to save money. Some goals, such as saving for retirement while you're fresh out of college, may be far off in the future, whilst others, such as purchasing a vehicle or going on a trip, may be considerably closer. Your timetable might influence your saving technique as well as where you put your money. Number 7. Take advantage of free local attractions. A little research might help you uncover entertaining, inexpensive attractions and activities in your neighborhood. Some museums and art galleries, for example, provide free entry on particular days of the week or month. Libraries may give zoo or museum passes on a first-come, first-served basis. Your bank may even provide free membership to attractions. For example, Bank of America's Museums on Use program provides free admission to more than 225 cultural organizations around the nation to debit and credit card customers. Number 6. Be a savvy grocery shopper. You won't be able to quit purchasing groceries, but you can make a more concentrated effort to prevent wasting food. According to a 2020 study done by Penn State University researchers, food waste might cost the typical family more than $1,800 per year. Consider what was thrown out the last time you made a shopping list and how to prevent this from happening again. According to the research, people who created a shopping list before heading to the store threw away fewer foods, so take the time to plan out your forthcoming meals. Number 5. Discover different banking options. If you pay service fees for your checking or savings account, it's time to look into ways to cut those expenses. Monthly service fees are not charged by online-only organizations such as Ally Bank and Discover. Many other bank accounts do levy monthly fees, but you may avoid them by keeping a low set minimum amount or getting a direct deposit of your salary. Furthermore, internet banks often provide some of the best interest rates on high-yield savings, money markets, and CD accounts. Various online banks, for example, offer savings account rates that are more than 15 times higher than the national average, and up to 200 times more than what some large brick-and-mortar banks pay. Number 4. Compare car insurance rates. If you have a track record of safe driving, it may be worthwhile to search around for a different insurance carrier that will better reward your good conduct. Compare alternative insurance estimates to what you already pay to see how much you may save on premiums while maintaining the same level of coverage. Those who don't spend a lot of time behind the wheel may be able to save money by opting for usage-based insurance, which matches coverage based on how often you drive your car. Number 3. Make use of discounts and promo codes. Although the notion of couponing may seem outdated, finding bargains does not necessarily require cutting out sections of the Sunday newspaper. When purchasing online, spend a few minutes looking for a discount code in the promo code field on the checkout page. There are also browser extensions such as Honey and Copert that search for online coupons for you as you buy. Capital One Shopping is another tool that may automatically locate online offers, and it is open to everyone, not just Capital One clients. It works by checking over 30,000 online businesses for discount codes, the cheapest pricing, and incentives. Number 2. Break up with brand names. When it comes to groceries, assess if you really need to spend on high-priced brand name items. A comparison of the contents and labeling of items such as noodles, cereal, and spices may reveal that generic options are just as healthy and high quality as their top-shelf equivalents. Non-food goods such as paper, hand soap, and laundry detergent may fall under the same category. Try to identify less expensive alternatives to any such brand-name home products you may be purchasing. If you are dissatisfied with the lower-cost option, you may always return to your previous selection. Number 1. Challenge yourself to a spending freeze. A spending freeze, in which you reduce all needless spending for a defined amount of time, may be an effective strategy to get control of your money. This might help you figure out how much you're spending on non-essentials like coffee shop visits. The additional cash you'll have at the end of the month may be saved or utilized to pay down debt. Increasing your savings is possible with certain practical tactics, which frequently begin with making a monthly budget and paying careful attention to how you spend your money. Whether you're trying to build an emergency fund or save for something else, sticking to a budget and not spending money on things you don't need can help you save a lot more money. This concludes today's video. Thanks for watching, and remember to like, share, and subscribe for more.